interviews or in social
Walang
media
ligtas.
appear to
Yan ang
concern the
mensahe ni
evidence,
Presiding
credibility
Officer
of
Chis
witnesses,
Escudero sa
and is
impeachment
suspending-
court. Hindi lang kay Vice President Sara Duterte, hindi lang sa prosecution, hindi lang sa defense, kundi pati sa mga senator judges. Lahat may dapat sundin at bago niya paalalahanan ng ibang panig, inuna niya ang sariling bakuran.
The chair reminds all senator judges, first, to observe the impartiality and political neutrality required by their oath and the rules.
Paalala ni Escudero sa mga senator judge, may karapatan silang magtanong at sumuri ng ebidensya, pero dapat manatiling patas at neutral. Hindi raw dapat ang pagtanong ay mauwi sa pangaharas o partisan advocacy.
The line is clear. Senator judges may test the evidence here under oath and on the record, exercising the cold neutrality of an impartial judge.
Sa madaling salita, pwedeng magtanong pero huwag umaktong prosecutor o defense counsel. At kapag lumabag ang isang senator judge sa impeachment o Senate rules, pwedeng humantong sa pagsampa ng ethics case. Pero hindi lang sa mga senator judge ang may babala dahil merong Rule 18 ang impeachment proceedings. Sakop nito ang presiding officer, senator judges, prosecution, defense, ang ini-impeach na opisyal, mga abogado at mga witness. Ang punto ng presiding officer, huwag itong gawing trial by publicity.
You know who you are, and based on the records, we know who you are. Just turning it into a circus and weaponize the media to substitute public outrage for actual evidence.
Para maiwasan yan, may suggestion si Escudero, magtalaga ng spokesperson na hindi kasama sa legal team. Dahil para sa mga abogado, sa court dapat lumaban, hindi sa court of public opinion. Ang lalabag, may kaparusahan. First offense, public reprimand at permanent record sa court. Second offense, multa na hanggang 30,000 pesos per violation. Kung abogado ang lumabag, pwede ring i-refer sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines o sa Supreme Court. Pati ang pananalita, may limitasyon. Kasama rin sa warning ni Presiding Officer Escudero sa mga abogado ng depensa at ng prosekusyon ang pagbabawal sa paggamit ng improper language o yung mga offensive at abusive na salita sa loob man ng korte o sa mga interviews at social media. Ginamit pang halimbawa ni Escudero ang mga salitang mastermind, scam at modus operandi na sinabi ng ilang abogado nitong mga nakaraang araw. At dito pumasok ang Facebook post ni Prosecutor Attorney Amando Ligutan. Nagkomento siya sa issue ng misleading questions sa hearing. Depensa naman ni Ligutan, nagtama lang daw siya ng mali.
Ang pagtatama ng mali ay kailanman hindi ipinagbabawal kahit sa loob ng impeachment court ito. Ang pagtuturo, ang pagtatama ng mali ay walang pinipiling lugar at walang pinipiling panahon. That's why I made that post.
Pero para kay Escudero, kung counsel ka ng isang panig, may limitasyon ang sinasabi mo sa labas.
If you are counsel for the parties, you cannot comment on the merits outside of a fair and true report of what happened.
May pasaring din si Ligutan sa defense team, kaugnay sa usapin ng humility o pagpapakumbaba.
The defense cannot lecture me on humility. If there's somebody who needs to be reminded about humility, it's them. It is the opposite of humility. It is pride, not to admit a mistake, or worse, call out someone who simply corrected that mistake.
Sabi naman ni Escudero, maaring ang binabanggit ni Defense Attorney Christine Ferrer na pinapayagan na itanong sa korte ay ang leading questions at hindi ang misleading questions. Sumang-ayon dyan si Ferrer, pero umalma ang kasagutan noon ni Ferrer na si Attorney Lorna Capunan.
I'd like to manifest, though, that, again, the statement of counsel is misleading because it was very clear. It was very clear, and the transcripts will show that the immediate phrase which led to my remark was not about leading, it was about misleading, Your Honor. If I heard it, if the whole legal profession heard it, if this courtroom heard it, if the outside audience heard it, then it must be, it is what it is. She had said misleading is allowed, and I responded to that, and I'd like that to be on record, Your Honor. Let us not mislead again this honorable court.
Sa uli, sabi ni Escudero, malinaw ang nasa transcript ng pagdinig. Bibigyan na lang ng kopya ang magkabilang kampo.